Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Vivek's Math Class. Today in this class, I am going to solve some important questions of this chapter, Coordinate Geometry, which they may ask in board examination. So please watch the video till the end and practice well. Before starting this class, if you are not subscribed to this channel, please do subscribe, press the like button and share the link to all your friends. Seventh question. Find the area of a quadrilateral ABCD, the coordinates of whose vertices are A of minus 3, 2, B of 5, 4, C of 7, minus 6 and D of minus 5, minus 4. This question is asked in CBSE board examination 2016. So let's solve this problem. Solution. To solve this problem, first we need to draw the diagram of a quadrilateral. This is quadrilateral. This is the point A, this is the point B, and this is the point C, and this is the point D. According to the question, the coordinates of the point A is given by minus 3, 2. Minus 3, 2. The coordinates of the point B is given by 5, 4. 5, 4. Next, the coordinates of the point C is given by 7, minus 6. 7, minus 6. Next, the coordinates of the point D is given by minus 5, minus 4. Minus 5, minus 4. Let A of minus 3, 2, B of 5, 4, C of 7, minus 6 and D of minus 5, minus 4, minus 5, minus 4 be the vertices of the quadrilateral. Now let us join the vertex B and vertex D. So this is called as diagonal. This diagonal BD divides the quadrilateral ABCD into two triangles. The first triangle is triangle ABD and the second triangle is triangle BCD. Okay. Now by calculating the area of triangle ABD and BCD, we can easily find out the area of quadrilateral. Okay. So first let us calculate the area of triangle ABD. For triangle ABD, ABD, this is x1, y1, this is x2, y2, and this is x3, y3. So x1, y1 is equal to minus 3, 2, x2 y2 is 5, 4 and x3 y3 is -5, -4. Now let us write the formula to find out the area of triangle ABD. We know that area of triangle is given by half into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. Now let us substitute all these values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 here in this formula. Okay, area of triangle ABD is equal to half into the value of x1 is -3, the value of y2 is 4 minus the value of y3 is -4 plus the value of x2 is 5 into the value of y3 is -4 minus the value of y1 is 2 plus the value of x3 is -5 into the value of y1 is 2 minus the value of y2 is 4. Which is equal to 1/2 into -3, 4 minus into minus is plus 4 plus 5 into adding -4 and -2 you get -6 plus into minus is -5 -4 plus 2 gives -2, which is equal to 1/2 into 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 into -3 is -24 plus into minus 5 6 is 30 minus into minus plus 5 2 is 10, which is equal to 1/2 into adding -24 and -30 we get -54 plus 10 as it is, which is equal to 1/2 into -54 plus 10 gives -44, which is equal to 1 into -44 is -44 divided by 2. Dividing 44 by 2 we get 22, that is -22. Since area is a measure, we cannot take this negative sign. We have to take only the numerical value of -22. So the area of triangle ABD value is 22 square units. Okay, therefore area of a triangle ABD is 22 square units. Now we have to find another area of triangle, that is area of triangle BCD. For triangle BCD, this is x1 y1, this is x2 y2, and this is x3 comma y3. Okay, so for triangle BCD, x1 y1 is 5 comma 4, x1 comma y1 is 5 comma 4, x2 y2 is 7 comma minus 6, and x3 y3 is minus 5 comma minus 4, minus 5 comma minus 4. Now let us write the area of triangle formula. So area of triangle BCD is given by 1 by 2 into x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. This is the formula to find out the area of triangle BCD. Now let us substitute the values of x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3 here in this formula. Okay, so area of triangle BCD is equal to 1 by 2 into the value of x1 is 5 into the value of y2 is minus 6 minus the value of y3 is minus 4 plus x2, the value of x2 is 7 into the value of y3 is minus 4 minus the value of y1 is 4 plus the value of x3 is minus 5, the value of y1 is 4 minus the value of y2 is minus 6 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 minus 6 minus into minus plus 4 plus 7 into adding minus 4 and minus 4 we get minus 8 plus into minus minus 5 into 4 minus into minus is plus 6 which is equal to 1 by 2 into 5 minus 6 plus 4 gives minus 2 plus into minus minus 7 8 is 56, 4 plus 6 is 10 plus 10 into minus 5 plus into minus is minus 4 plus 6 is 10, 10 into 5 is 50, 10 5 is 50 which is equal to 1 by 2 into plus into minus minus 5 2 is 10 minus 56 minus 50 which is equal to 1 by 2 into adding 10, 56 and 50 we get minus 50 plus 56 is 106, 106 plus 10 is 116, that is minus 116. which is equal to 1 into minus 116 is minus 116 divided by 2. Dividing 116 by 2 gives 2 1s are 2 5s are 11 minus 10 is 1 16 2 8s are 16, that is minus 58. Since area of triangle is a measure which cannot be negative, we have to take only the numerical value of minus 58, that is we have to take only the 58. So area of triangle is BCD is 58 square units. Here we have calculated both the area of triangle ABD, which is 22 square units, and the triangle BCD, which is 58 square units. Okay, now by adding both these area of triangle, we can easily find out the area of quadrilateral. Okay, so area of quadrilateral ABCD is equal to area of triangle ABD plus area of triangle BCD, which is equal to area of triangle ABD is 22 square units, 22 square units plus area of triangle BCD is 58 square units, 58 square units. Adding 22 and 58, we get 80 square units. So this is the area of quadrilateral ABCD. Now we have to write the conclusion. Thus, area of quadrilateral ABCD is 80 square units. This is the answer. Practice these two homework questions in the same way, and this first question is asked in CBSE board examination 2015, and this second question is asked in CBSE board examination 2014.